What's going on, everyone? It's LT Mincy here, coming at you with a brand new video here, and this is going to be going into the sway markets regulated broker. So this broker is a regulated broker, and it's an A-book broker as well. So they don't manipulate the trades in any kind of way, anything like that, and they offer copy trading strategies, which is, to me, way better than what a PAMM account is, because you got more control over your funds compared to a PAMM account. So before I get to this video, I'd like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not advise one to invest or spend their money. All I do is show opportunities that I believe that will be beneficial to anyone around the world, and I also go over opportunities that I believe that will not be beneficial to anyone around the world. So that said, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna go over this right here briefly, what the broker is, and to let you know what they're all about, and then we're gonna get to the strategy that I'm actually copying right now. Okay, so this broker has been around for a few years already, and when you create your account, you will see that it's similar to like Absolute Markets broker, which was what we used earlier in the year with FX Master Gold. Don't be alarmed, many brokers copy the same interfaces and everything like that, but that's normal. Okay, this right here is a regulated broker with ASIC. Okay, and they're also registered in the St. Vincent and Grenadines, so they make themselves available to pretty much everyone around the globe. All right, so it's a unique FX trading environment. They trade with all major forex trading pairs. They got instant trade execution with low spreads. They're partnered with MT5 for secure and customizable trading, and multiple funding methods, which they got Bitcoin and USDT, TRC20 right now, and they got wires coming soon. And also possibly they're going to be adding other cryptocurrency options to deposit and withdraw with in the future. Okay, so sway market is made exclusive for the FX community, and I like what they do so far, because that's what they do. I mean, it's very easy to use and very simplistic. So the account types that they got here, they got VIP, ECN, no commission, Islamic. So if you want to trade yourself and possibly offer your strategy to other people to copy, more than likely you're going to be creating an ECN account, because the VIP account requires a minimum deposit of $100,000. I think the ECN account requires a minimum deposit of $100, and then you'll be able to start trading in your own live account. So if you're not interested in trading a live account, you don't have to worry about creating a live account at all. Okay, and I'll show you why later on. So the minimum deposit is $10. They got a lot cost of like 1 cent minimum on lot. Stock selection, they got 37 stocks, so you can trade with 55 currencies, 18 cryptos, and leverage to 1 to 500. Okay, so you come down here, you see all the different platforms that MT5 is offered on for you to download right away. And then you come down a little bit further, you can see all the different social media handles that Sway Markets is on: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and also Telegram. And then now here at the bottom, you can see all of the regulation, their company numbers or registration numbers with St. Vincent Grenadines, other markets, and also ASIC. Okay, so you can see that there you can go and verify that they are actually regulated by ASIC. I know people probably like, well, ASIC doesn't mean anything. Well, it's still the actual regulator of Australia, point blank. So the fact that they are regulated by ASIC, they go through audits. Okay, so that means that they can't manipulate anything, or the audit will catch them red-handed, and they'll be fined or shut down. Okay, so this is a good thing to have with a regulated broker. All right, so next thing that you want to do is you want to get your link from the person that introduced the Sway Markets, or you can use my link. That would be down in the description of this video, as well as in the comment section for you to use. All right. So once you get the link, you're going to put in your first and last name. You're going to put your email address in. You're going to create your password, repeat your password, and then you're going to create your account. So once you log into your account, then it's going to come up to the screen. You're not going to see a live account or a demo account. It's going to be blank here. And the first thing you want to do, you want to verify your email address, and you also want to verify your account. So when you go right here, you'll be able to upload your documents here. So that's going to be your identification documents. It's going to be your selfie and your phone verification. All right. So once you get that done, which should be a very fast process, because I was getting this done instantly when I was doing this a while back. And so once you get that done, next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and get your link for the partnership program. And so that's where you're gonna fill out the information. A lot of questions is gonna be answered, asking everything like that. You just answer the question to the best of your ability, and then you will get the email notification let you know that you're approved for the partner program. You can start using your link. All right. So once you get your account verified, your email address verified, you got your partner link. Now you want to go ahead and make your deposit. So the only thing that you need to have if you're not going to be planning on trading is a wallet. Okay, so that's automatically assigned to everyone when you create your account. And you'll go ahead and click on deposit, and this is a straightforward process. You got Bitcoin, USDT, TRC20. So you select which one you want to use, and then you click on confirm. And then step 2 would be to specify the sum. And then once you specify the sum, the third party provider is going to come up, and you're going to go ahead and continue with the deposit process. You'll see the wallet address, and you'll go ahead and copy that wallet address and send the funds from your wallet, whichever crypto that you're using, and send it into the wallet of the third party provider. Once a third party provider confirms it, they will send it over to Sway Markets. Sway Markets will then verify it, and then they will go ahead and deposit the funds to your account. You'll receive an email notification as well as notification inside Sway Markets let you know that your deposit has been received. So let me see. So the deposit request has been executed, and I had some other. I think I got more in here. So yeah, so your deposit is almost there, and so that right there is the information that you'll see right here in the messages and in the notifications. All right. So once your money is actually in your wallet, you will see it right here, the wallet balance at the top, and also right here. You will go ahead and select the strategy that you want to copy. So for me, I am actually following Simple Trade. Reason being is I know one of the traders. We talk constantly and privately on Instagram, and he shared a lot of information. Both of the traders combined has 8 years of experience trading. Okay, and they're trading gold USD, Great British Pound USD, and they're using leverage 1 to 100. Okay, so the strategy I'm using is Simple Trade. Now you will see like a lot of these other accounts like Certified Capital Investment. This is another friend of mine that I know of. She has been working on these trading bots for a long time, so she's testing these trading bots by herself. And I mean, it may be some other people that try to follow her and everything like that, but she's testing these by herself right now to make sure that everything is going well on the broker before she's actually able to offer the strategy for other people to copy without any worries. Okay, but anyways, moving on. Simple Trade is the one that I'm using. So when you click on Simple Trade, you'll be able to read the description right here. You can also see how many investors are already following them. And you can see how much they earned so far. They just started this past week, although they had the account trading prior to offering the strategy on the Sway Markets broker. But since that they just started the strategy this past week, this is what you're seeing. Now their account overall, I think, is up like over 15% so far for the month. So that right there is very good, and there's no guarantees or anything like that. So I'm gonna put that out there. There's no guarantees here. This is real trading. All right. So they got a profit split of 70-30. It's paid weekly, as you can see right here. And the traders fees are taken out on Saturday. I think it's going to be on MetaTrader time pretty much. So I already had the fee taken out of my account. And today right now is still Friday. So you can come right down here. You can see what's going on with the chart and everything like that. You can see they have some losing trades, but it's very consistent so far what I've seen. And then all you gotta do is come down here, click on the invest button, and you'll be able to see how much money you have available in your wallet. You see that the minimum investment amount is $100. I recommend, if you want to deposit and copy this strategy, come in with the minimum of like $110, because one of the traders, my friend, he already told me, he was it's not our plan to lose a trade, but losses happen. If someone was to get started with $100 and we lose a trade and it goes beneath $100, their account will stop copying our trades. So come in with more than the minimum amount, $110, $115, just to be on the safe side, okay? And then once you put in your deposit amount, you can actually put in your take profit and dollar amount, and you can put your stop loss in a dollar amount. You can always adjust this after you set it as well, okay? But me, I did not set this up because they already informed me that they have a maximum risk for each trade of 5%. So if a trade goes into 5% drawdown, they automatically close it out in a loss. Now, I've had losing trades, but the losses have not gotten close to 5%. The highest that it's gotten to is just over 2%. They closed out the trade in a loss, and then they opened up another position a little bit after that, and they was able to recover that loss and then some, and get into profits for that day. So once you set this up, you're gonna click on deposit, and then to see that your account is activated, you'll go to accounts, and you'll come down to the bottom. You see investments, and you can see that your account is linked. And so you can always come right here and edit your take profit and stop loss. You can deposit more funds at this moment if you feel comfortable with the strategy after testing it for how long you want to test it for. You can come right here. You can deposit more money into your wallet, and then instantly click on this wallet button to deposit the more funds into this strategy to copy. Okay. Then this right here is the withdraw button. Okay, and they do recommend to withdraw on weekends, so that way they're able to maximize the trading throughout the week. All right, so I mean, you can withdraw daily if you want to, but they recommend waiting until the weekend to withdraw, so that way they're able to maximize the trading opportunity with the everyone's money throughout the whole week without it having to fluctuate so much. Okay, and then if you want to cancel the strategy, just click on the X button to deactivate. So right here you can see what my investment account is at right now. I put in like $441. You can see my current income is $11.55. And y'all click on it, and then we'll go right here to the closed trades, and we're going to go ahead and select the date range. I'm going to put from the 4th through the 10th. And so these first two right here are actually my deposits inside the account, and you can see all the trade positions here. So another thing I want to mention is that they're going to have the MyFestbook link available sometime next week. The trades, when you're looking at the trades, you're looking at right here, like, oh, the opening price and the closing price is the same, and then the opening time and the closing time is going to be the same. The reason being, and that is that the broker is masking that kind of information so that no one can claim the strategy for their own and sell it to the black market, saying that it's theirs, or create another account and copy the trades in the other account as well. The broker is making sure that the traders and their strategies are protected here, so that way no one can steal the strategy and sell it or use it for themselves in another account. So that's the reason why you will see the open price and the close price always being the same. And then also when you're looking at the trades, like for example, when you open it up, I can't open up the trades here for some strange reason on my computer, but on my phone, yeah, it's different. But when you open up the trades, you're able to see the entry price and the exit price is always the same as well. But that's the broker's job, of masking the trades, so that way no one can steal the strategies. Okay, so don't worry about that. Main thing is that you're able to see that there are losing trades, there are winning trades, and so these guys are not perfect, but the overall progress of the account is what I care about the most. I see the proper risk management. As you can see, the losses, well, this right here is actually the fee, the 30% fee they already took out, because it's already, the MetaTrader time is June 10th already, although it's still June 9th for me here in Colombia. But $4.95 was taken out of my account, paid to the traders. And you can see all the losses, and you can see all the wins. These are my two deposits that I put into the account. And as you can see, $441 and some changes what I started out with. And the biggest loss I had was so far was $10.56. So that's just over 2% of my account. And then they had this loss right here. It was all in the same day, and that was over 1%. And then they made up for it pretty almost with one trade, and then they came back and made another trade, and put us into profits. And then you come down on June 7th, you see it was a losing trade, another losing trade. And then they came back and they got a win with one trade right there, and it was finished. And they only so far I've seen they've only been entering into one position at a time, and that's right there's a very good sign of proper risk management being used as well. And then you come down to the 8th, they did got into one position, won that, and they did not trade at all today because there was no need to. You got over 5% for the week. There's no need to put risk yourself any more than that. And plus, there wasn't much, volume or volatility in the markets today anyway. All right, because there was no news announcements, anything like that. But this is what I am following. So let me try to remember anything else that I'm probably missing. I'm actually gonna open up my phone right now and let me look at the messages that we've already talked about. So make sure that I'm going over everything with you guys, so you can make a better decision if you want to follow this or not. Okay. So like I said, they already got 8 years of combined experience. So they got take profit and stop loss set on each trade as well. So you don't have to worry about that, not unless you want to put your own take profit and stop loss in yourself as well. And let me see, trying to find some other information. So that their monthly target is 20 to 30% after the fees. Okay, so there's no guarantee that they will get 20-30% per month, because this is real trading. They can get less than that, they can get more than that. You know, they can get right there in that range. So I will share the Telegram link as well for you to join the Telegram group, and you will see the updates and everything that they post in there. You will find that Telegram link down in the description of the video. And so I already mentioned my Facebook link will be available sometime next week, so that way you can see everything that's going on. It's right now showing that they have maximum drawdown 5% in the my Facebook. That's what I was told as well. They do not want to be revealed, although I know who the trader, one of the traders are. They want to remain anonymous, and the reason why is for obvious reasons. You know, there was a trader that I was copying in RoboForex, and his name was David Frank. He actually had a losing trade of like 11% that day, but RoboForex allows people to adjust the multiplier. So the multiplier, people felt so comfortable with his trading that they had the multiplier set so extremely high that as soon as he went into a drawdown like 1%, 2%, or 3%, their account was already blown. Now, my account was not blown because I never touched the multiplier, and I lost 11%. But because many people blew their accounts once he went into drawdown, David Frank ended up receiving a whole lot of death threats and everything like that. People knew exactly who he, where he was at. You know, they know that he's from Germany, but he lives in Dubai. Got a restaurant in Dubai. People was contacting him on Instagram, everything like that. And then also, another reason why they want to remain anonymous is for non-disclosure reasons. They don't want to be held accountable for people using the wrong terminology or making guarantees when they never guaranteed anything. Because you know how some of these YouTubers are they will put out there, oh, it's a guarantee that you're going to make this amount. No, it's not. There's no guarantees with real trading, people. You're going to have some losses, you're going to have some wins, period. All right. So if you got any other questions that you want to know about what the traders do, you can ask me in the comments of the video, and I will go ahead and relay those questions over to one of the traders that I know, and then I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. He's pretty quick at replying, of course. When he's sleeping, but he's pretty quick at replying, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that right there wraps up what I wanted to talk about in this video, going over FX Sway temporarily, and also introducing everyone to simple trade strategy here. So if you like what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining Sway markets and copying a simple trade strategy, I have my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. So that right there is all to say for right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.